Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Windows Start menu not working. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here is to simply, if the start menu is not working, is to simply restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then the second option what you can do here, you need to open up settings, then you need to go to system, then you need to go to it should be somewhere here, taskbar. Just simply right here, taskbar settings. Then scroll down until you see taskbar behaviors, and then make sure that this option is not selected. Automatically hide the taskbar, because if it's selected, your taskbar will be hidden, right? And if it's not the case, then another thing that I suggested to do here is to restart Windows Explorer. And to do so, open up Task Manager. Then here you just need to write Windows Explorer, right click on it and restart. And after that, reboot your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that I suggest you to do here is to go to settings, and then on settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, and restart your computer. And you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that I suggested to do here is to re-register all Windows apps. And to do so, you just need to press Windows and I key. And here you need to just type PowerShell, right? PowerShell. Open up here, and then or simply you just need to go to PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, right click on it and run as admin, and then press hit yes. And on this, you need to copy this command. I will leave the command in the description below, so you can easily copy and paste it, and then hit enter, right? And then what you need to do here next, after it's initialized, you need to basically reboot your computer, and PowerShell should re-register the store apps after that, right? And if it's not the case, then another thing that you can do here is to simply open up CMD or command prompt, CMD, right click on it, run as admin. And on CMD, you need to put the following command here. I will leave all the commands in the description below, so you don't worry about that. And then after you put the command, hit enter. And then what you need to do here next is to write, next command is CFC. After it's completed, we need to wait for a few seconds. And after it's finished, what you need to do here is to write here CFC/scannow. And maybe your computer have some system bad files, so it will scan it and it will fix your bad files. Also, it will take you a few minutes to complete, and after it completes, you just need to restart your PC once the scan has finished, right? And if it's not the case, if it's not working, what you need to do here, the last thing, is to reset your PC. And to do so, you just need to open up settings, or settings. And you need to go to system, then you need to go to recovery, and then here press reset PC. And on reset PC, you can keep all your files, but it will remove all apps and settings, but your personal files will be left. And after that, just look, after you reset your PC, your problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.